All right, guys, Danny here at Partay. So I'm going to bring you into a extremely well-lit room. Now, I want to show you something because I've got windows all open, okay? And you can see, when you see the shadows are coming this way, the sun's shining into this room, okay? The shadows aren't going the other way, indicating that the light, the sun, is on the other side of my house. So all windows open, all 8,000 lights on full. Plus I've got extra lamp lights and LEDs and all kinds of stuff going on in the room. And I want you to see something. That's a 50-inch panel there. And extremely well lit. As a matter of fact, at that point right there, right now with the windows open, we're in the ballpark of about 240 lux. At the bottom. Be around, well, it's normally 280, around 280 underneath these with the windows closed. So with windows open, it could be upwards of 350 or so. So you can see white levels here don't take a dip. Okay, there is no dip in the white levels here. You don't see any pink hues or anything from LEDs because LED light would not travel very far in all this light. Just would not happen, could not happen. And I'm setting roughly about 12.5 feet back because if I go any further back than that, it makes a really, really big image. Right now, we're probably making somewhere in the ballpark because I got the digital zoom on. So I've got it shrunk down. It's making roughly about a 90-inch image, but I'm only capturing 50 inches of it. Now, what I was going to say, and I'll show you this in a later video, because what you'll notice a lot of times is that the room, the walls, will actually look brighter when you just have these on and all of that closed, okay? The reason for that is because you're looking at different kelvins of light. And this light is so potent, it'll overpower this and the sheen that it puts on the walls. So you'll notice that the room actually looks a little bit darker at times whenever I have the window lights off. And the lights are still, once again, full on. Both on and on full. 1,000 lumens per bulb, so 8,000 lumens around. Plus, like I said, I've got 800 there, 800 here. I'm not really sure what this one puts out. It's just LED, so it's not going to be a lot. Here's one Mr. Bird likes. Now what you'll notice is that there's no dark corners. You can make out the texture of my furniture, okay? It's not just black, just solid friggin' black, right? You can make it out. My ceiling isn't painted white, black, so the light bounces around, gets absorbed more on these walls than obviously the white walls. Now, I can close the windows, and I'll show you what I mean. So you'll notice as I start closing the windows that the light in here is going to look differently than it did whenever I had the window lights or the windows open. So, sorry guys, just bear with me. This is why photographers have such a problem whenever they're trying to do displays with lights of different now. See, you can see the walls actually look brighter now. And it's purely because we've shut down that low Kelvin light. Come back here, you can see the room. It's still very bright. Did the fishies. So, Mr. Bird, please explain to me how this is anywhere close to the brightness of this. That's right. So no, I did not enjoy your display. You guys take care. We'll talk soon. Bye. By the way, this is Series A, so you'll be seeing a full screen of it soon. You guys take care. Bye.